Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. Just end up leaning a Fanta. Pandas, welcome to the stream. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. Today is the last day to take advantage of the 80% off and 1 day to pass. Today is the last day. Good morning, my pandas. It's good to be back. My first week back. Oh boy, it's nice. It's nice to be back, pandas. Trust me. I missed you guys. Hope you guys missed me too. I hope you guys weren't too bored in the other streams. I hope you guys weren't being I hope the other streams you've been watching haven't bored you too much. That we're able to carry you through to now. I hope so. Because we're back live, back at it again. I think the market, I don't think I missed much, to be honest. The market hasn't been, well, this last 3 days have been nice. But even yesterday it was nonsense until the very last like hour. Nice little two-legged pullback here on the daily chart. We have switched over to the NQ pandas. We're switched to the dark side. Tastes a little bit of that NAS crack. The candles are like 15-second candles. It's crazy. Honestly, we have news at 10 o'clock today, pandas. Jerome Powell speaking. I don't know what he's speaking about. For as much as I know, he could be just reading out of his diary. I have no idea. But that is listed as high impact news. I don't know. Usually when the transcript isn't released, if it's just Jerome Powell speaking, then it's just there's no like one point in time where you see a lot of volatility. It's just kind of volatile throughout the entire speech. But with that being said, just be aware it may be slow until 10, until Jerome Powell starts speaking. And when Jerome Powell starts speaking, it might be some fireworks. I don't know. I just know that by Thursday is probably the big day, right? Thursday is like the day where you're going to get a lot of like big news. Not a lot of big news, but you're going to get a big movement from the CPI. So today, tomorrow, we got Jerome Powell speaking. It's good to be back though, pandas. Good morning, everybody. Make sure you drop a GM in the chat. Make sure you scalp that like button. Let all the other pandas know we're back. Top left of your screen, we are struggling with these accounts right now. They're getting hammered. We're down like 4,500 on them. It's pretty bad. It's good to see some old names. Yo, Jimbo, welcome. Hansman, welcome. Avalon, welcome. Dad, you're back from the store. I told you. I went out just to get some milk, and now I'm back. I don't think so. I don't think it's considered news trading. I don't know. Who knows? Since Apex doesn't directly post exactly what's considered to be news. Market's about to open in 5 minutes, but again, we don't know when we'll see fireworks. Good morning, guys. We only have it's gonna end today, the 1 day to pass and 80% off. That will end today, so just please be aware. Take advantage of it. At this point, they should just keep it 1 day to pass because they have so many rules for the payouts now. Like, they're basically putting all of their rules on the payout portion instead of the eval portion, and it's just what do you got on the docket today? So 10 a.m. Fed Chair Powell speaks. Tomorrow 10 a.m. Fed Chair Powell speaks. Thursday 8:30 a.m. core CPI with unemployment claims. Huge news. By the way, if you want to know what I think is going to be big news, such as like basically make or break news events where you can pass your evals in one single trade, you can go to the Discord in the description, and there is a channel dedicated to just all the news events I think will be strong enough to or big enough to pass your evals. 8:30 a.m. on Friday, core PPI numbers, also big news. Monday, next Monday, we have Fed Chair Powell speaking, and then Tuesday, core retail sales. I think those are the ones we got to look out for. NJ, no one takes, yep, exactly. No one takes the eval seriously. They just pass it as soon as possible and then trade for real. I thought the monthly fee stops when you pass the eval. Is it $80 a month, just Apex, or do others have it too? Not sure what you mean by that. The evals, it's not just by passing it. You have to turn it into a funded account. And then once it's funded, then you have to pay the monthly funded unless you pay for the lifetime. I'll take a trap trade here, Pandas. I'll take a fail second entry short. If we get one. I doubt we will, but if we do, I'll take it. Trading the NQ now. We switched to the dark side. The Nas crack. Can't get enough of that Nas crack. I'll take it. If you give it to me, I'll take it. I'll do it. I'll do it. If you give it to me, I'll do it. Ooh. That's pretty bearish. Interesting. I don't know about this. Goodbye. Maybe looking for a new low. Trading the NQ, fellas. We gotta switch to the NQ. We gotta switch to the dark side, pandas. Market about to open 30 seconds. Bill 7, good morning. Scalp that like button. Let's go. Countdown 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, we got the trap that triggers. Right when the market opens, though. Jeez Louise. All right. Doesn't go very far. Could have refilled here if you wanted. It's a nice looking signal bar. Happens right at market open. I'm not going to jump a trade right at market open. Spike and channel forming here. Okay. Again, news at 10, so we could be chopping around until then. We shall see, though. Ends up being a decent push up here. I'm not sure if it makes a one-to-one yet, though. That's what's important. One-to-one not met yet. Almost one-to-one there. I mean, it could be if I do this exactly. Yeah, one-to-one met right there. It's a spike in channel currently. What's my stop loss TP? It's set to one-to-one. Right now it's automatically at 5-5. It should be bigger than that, to be honest. Jeez, the spike in channel for sure. Strong bull bar ending on its high. With follow through. Okay. Well, we'll see. Let the candle finish. That's strong follow through pause bar. Oof. Big move up now. With follow through now. Could be big trading range here so far. Right, spikes in channels and breaks above the channel. It's a little more rare for that to happen. Big push up. No entries for me though. You're thinking huge gap on the 5-minute chart, right? Huge gap here, wants to fill. So you make a new all-time high. Every high we make daily right now is a new all-time high. I kind of want to wait for Jerome Powell to start speaking, but I mean, right now I see a big trading range. We're back at the top of it. This is what I'm seeing currently. It's blue box. Bill 7, 415. Let's go. eye pattern here. Okay, oh, eye pattern breaks to the upside. Makes it 1-to-1 easily. Okay, this blue box doesn't seem like range. It looks like it's breaking out. Like super strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Ending near its high. Look at this. Ending near its high. Is exhausted? Probably. But it's just the beginning of the day. Who knows? Are we going to be always in long? Typically, you wait for a pullback. Sleepy Joe asks why the 1K over 2K. It's just because of candles, how big they are. Candles are huge on the 2K. Even right now on the 1K, the candles are 8 points, so big move down, right? Absolutely no follow through on this strong bull bar. Could be exhausted. Charles has got the big mile. Let's go. Congratulations. Second entry long. Easily could reverse it here, which is what I'm seeking to do if we get a failed second entry long. Okay, second entry long triggers. No fail second entry long. Breaks the previous pivot high. Man, this is crazy. Is this just a Nas crack? It's just insane. Okay. Second entry short here, maybe interested. Looking for a new low. Unfortunate outside bar reversal. Don't like that. Skipping it for the outside bar reversal. Ends up working out nicely though. Second entry short. A, B, C. Outside bar reversal, unfortunately. A, B, C. I like that second entry short. But triggers the outside bar reversal. I can't take it. The 5-minute... the 5 minutes absolutely insane. Like, you thought this was crazy. This is just as crazy. The bar right afterwards. Like, massive confusion. Taking this trap. It's a little bit far away from 20 MA, but I don't care. Taking it. I like what the direction we're going here. I like the fact it actually pushes up a little bit higher. I actually like that. Gets closer to 20 EMA. Grabbing more bears. Try and time this. I think we're good here. Okay, we're in this trade. Risk reward's decent here. Looking for a new low. Could be trying to create a second inch short. Maybe new low created already. Okay, I like that. Looks really good.
Target filled.
Target filled. Easy peasy. Let's see if we get a runner here. Be nice. No runner. I'll take it. I mean, any win at this point is nice for me right now. Takes my runner out. Goes the direction I want it to go. Very interesting. We do have news at 10, Pandas. Jerome Powell speaking. Jerome. Powie. Our buddy Powie. I think we wait, Pandas. It's getting a little bit confusing. Starting to have lots of overlap here now. The 5 minutes was confusing the most, right? The 5 minutes, the big bull bar, big bear bar, and now we're just like, I think the market's confused. The market's certainly confused. It wants to go sideways for a little bit, I think. Fail second inch short? It's not a bad place for it. Not a bad place for it. Not the worst place for it. It's not the worst place for a fail second inch short. Certainly isn't the worst place I've seen. But the thing that concerns me is that we broke to the upside. I'm thinking we're going to come back to the downside here. That's what it makes me feel like. We had a failed breakout, essentially. I'll take a failed trap here. Even the trap looks real good. I don't know. The trap looks pretty juicy. Trap looks pretty juicy, Pandas. The magenta box here. A couple of dojis, though. 2 dojis in a row. Making things a little sus. Alright, I'm going to sit on my pause on this one. I'll take the reversal if this trap fails. Trap looks okay. I mean, that's a good reaction. That's what you want to see when you enter a trap. It's immediate push in the direction of the trade. Jeez. Ends up being a decent trade. At least a 1-to-1. Yeah, it hits just a 1-to-1 actually perfectly. I'm okay skipping that. I think the better trade was to see if we can come back to the bottom of the blue box here. I'm not gonna punish myself for being patient, but I mean that hits a 1-to-1 perfectly. There's a reason why it does that. Pushing up again. Okay. I'm sitting on my pause. Ooh, okay. Lower high here. I want the lower high. Is it strong enough? I don't know. Kind of tempted for the lower high, but I'm just seeing a second entry long forming on the 5,000 tick. So I'm seeing a second entry long forming here, which makes me hesitate to go short there right into the 20 MA. Good morning, my pandas. We got news in about 11 minutes. When I say news, I don't really. It's not like a one like single news item. It's our boy Pauli. He's speaking. I don't know how long he's gonna speak for. I don't know what he's speaking about, but when he starts to open his mouth, especially when there's cameras on him, he can make the markets move. Right, lower or high. About 50% retracement on that 5-minute chart. Right. Comes down, people bought at the bottom of this. They probably came out break even here, thinking that they got lucky, right? They bought here, right? always in long bulls buy here. They bought again here at the bottom of this bar. It came out break even here, showing you can see it through the price action what's happening. So you know the bulls are a little bit scared now. At least the weak bulls are. Look at the 5,000 tick chart. So 1,000 and 5,000. Basically, what you want to do is you want your higher time frame to be 5 times more than your smaller time frame. Why? Because the market's fractal. Since the market's fractal, right, you see the same patterns. And a very popular, very popular time frame ratio to use is 1 to 5 when it comes to the small time frame to the bigger time frame. Mainly because people trade a daily chart. And when they want to see the entire time frame, it is natural to go to the weekly chart, which is 5 times bigger than the daily chart. So you have that ratio, you can use that everywhere. And you want your higher time frame to be like at least 5 times bigger than your smaller time frame. And then from the weekly to monthly chart, right? It's not 5, it's 4 times bigger, but you know, it's around the same area. One second, Pandas. Sorry about that, Pandas. I mean, the market is as confused as it can be. Truly. Look at the 5-minute chart. I mean, how confused is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overlapping bars in a row. They were just waiting for Jerome Powell to start speaking. Pretty apparent. Pretty apparent.
5-minute
5 minutes, pandas. 5 minutes to sit on our paws. Second entry long does trigger on the 5K chart. I think I'm just gonna wait till Jerome Powell starts speaking. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Drop a GM in the chat if you're just joining. I'm bye money. We're back live at it again. I might take things a little bit easy, pandas. I may be off on Fridays just for the summertime, and when things start to pick back up, like in the fall time, I'll probably stream every day. Mawashi, welcome. Good to have you back. Good to see all these familiar names. Thanks for coming back, pandas. Sorry for being away for so long, you know. Even pandas need a rest. Alright, big push up. Our second entry long on the 5-minute chart is what really pushed that upwards. Alright, 5-minute second entry long. ABC. ABC. Nice push up. Market still seems a little bit confused to me, though, to be honest. Pandas rest a lot. Yeah, all we do is sleep, really. We have zero survival instincts, to be honest. Alright, got the trap trade, triggering upwards. I wanted to be patient, wait for Jerome Powell to start speaking. Didn't want to jump into anything, thinking he would just be choppy until he started. But got a nice little push up here. Can't make a new all-time high, looks like. The 5 minutes incredible, right? Like the 5 minutes were basically just contained in this range of the very first bar. Alright, one more minute, pandas. Get your engine started. Wonder what's gonna happen. I mean, look at the daily chart. This is insane. Actually insane. I wouldn't be surprised if we have a super strong bull trend day today. I wouldn't be surprised at all, to be honest. Thirty more seconds. All right, Jerome Powell starts speaking. Let's jump in some trades now. Second entry long, perhaps. Could be double top. Ooh. Pretty terrible signal bar. Big push down. What's happening here? I just want to go short. I almost just want to sell. Sell at the bottom of the bar. Feels like entry long, I'll take it. I doubt we'll get it though. I feel like it's gonna push down hard. I really feel like it's gonna push down hard. Be patient. Are we actually gonna get our setup? No way. Misses it by a tick. Oh, we're getting our setup, pandas. Very interesting. What a push up. What in the world is going on, pandas? I'm thinking double top reversal off of that. But there's no way I can go short against this kind of bar, no? There's no way I can go short against that bar. Can I? Unless this turns bearish right here, I don't feel confident at all. I almost want to go long. Right, we're kind of getting now like a type of something like this. You get multiple hits here now. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is tough, man. This is tough. Can I really go short right here? I don't think so. Can I really go short here? I don't think I can, pandas. Interesting. I can't go short here. I can't. Maybe I should have. What in the world? This is wild. I mean, it's basically forming a triangle right now. Okay. I guess I could have gone short. Jeez. We're bringing it back. It's confusing. I mean, that's a trap trade above the 20. Man, I can't take it, but man, what's going on, Pandas? What's going on? Trying to fill the gap maybe now. I think Jerome Powell's speaking in tongues right now. Because nothing's happening. It's just going crazy up and down. Hmm. Pandas. What's going on? YL is back. Took a risky fart earlier. It backfired. The daily chart. Forget about the daily chart. It's all about the daily chart. I truly have no idea what's happening. Second entry short here. I don't know if I like it though. It's all sorts of confusing to me. Ruben, congrats. It makes sense to go short here. I don't know. I mean, if we're in a range, we're at the top of the range, but we also missed the bottom of the range here. Could signify bullish pressure. Whoa. I should just buy. I should just buy anywhere, everywhere. Made a new high. No follow through yet. No follow through. Jeez. All right. Still in the range, pretty much, technically, though. Seems the range looks more like this. It's kind of like from the market open. Right, the 5-minute is capturing the range perfectly here. The trading range indicator. Okay. Second entry long forming here. Top of a trading range. I gotta try. And then I'll reverse if it fails. I gotta try. If it fails, I'll reverse it. I gotta at least try. Ugly looking signal bar. Risk is not too large. I'll reverse it if it does fail, like I said. But I gotta at least try. It took me a break even. Gonna hit like my target, my safe target, and then it moves to break even, and it didn't quite get me there. Darn, all good. It is what it is. I'll just see what happens from here. Do I want to try again? I don't know. I'm dizzy, Pandas. Honestly, it looks bullish to me, to be honest. Clearly above the 20 MA. The only thing is we're on top of a trading range. You gotta really consider that to be a threat. You gotta really account for that. I guess at the end, I'm glad I got out. Doesn't look too good now. You're still technically in the trade, amazingly. It's quite a miracle you're still in this trade. But you are. Wowzers. Jeez. I'll try one more time. Micro double bottom. What in the world's happening, Pandas? Micro double bottom? Eventually, it's going to break through, I think. It's actually insane if it doesn't. It's actually insane if it doesn't. It finally stops you out. If you're in the trade right there, it stops you out. in this trade. Basically looking for a new high at this point. Could be setting up for H4 here. Jeez Louise, alright. I'm sorry. I try to attempt again on the third attempt. Takes me out there. Jeez. Alright. It is what it is. I thought this attempt was better than this attempt. Looks like I was wrong. Oh, I can't click this fib here. Wowzers. Alright. It is what it is. Top of the trading range. Trying to go long. Gotta really account for that. I just saw that it failed again here and it stayed above 20 MA, thinking that we had a good chance to push up. Looks like I'm wrong. Down 160 now. It's all good. Got us setups now. We're clearly above the 20 man, the higher time frames. If we push down. Big push down here. Whoa. I mean, 5-minute chart is just within this range. It looks wacky. It looks actually wacky right now. Strong bear bar ending on its low with follow through. This is why you just take your trade out where you need to take it out. It's all good. Moving on. Touching the 20 EMA on the 5-minute. Creating an expanding pattern, which is what I hate. It's been happening every single day so far. Expanding pattern. 2 days expanding patterns in a row. Jeez. Trying to fill the gap. 5-minute chart, there's a gap here. Do not go long until you have significant reason to go long. I don't know. I just never trust trading ranges. I just never trust them. I can't. It's so hard for me to. I need something to like help me like feel confident in trading the trading range. I just see them always break out. See it too many times. Huh. Some of you guys getting lucky? Better to be lucky than sorry. Luck is better than skill. You can't beat luck. I'm thinking one more leg down. I'm thinking one more leg down. But we'll see. Could just be bouncing off the 20 EMA now at the 5-minute chart. Anything can happen, right? This is a support. This is a support. This is support. All these levels are supports. Give me a second. Just short. It'll be hard for me to pass it though. A second. Just short here. It'll be hard for me to pass. Even though we're expanding pattern, hitting the bottom of it. This is why I hate expanding patterns, but it'll be hard for me to skip a second. Just short here, especially a lower high one. Yeah, we're not gonna get one, huh? We're not gonna get a second just short. Just gonna push down. It's first entries only. Unfortunately, I don't get my setup, which I was waiting for. And it goes the way I want it to go. So, it's just a bad combination of things. Bad timing on everything. Jeez. When you want to trade a certain direction, it's obvious. You never get your setup. It's just the name of the game, huh? What can I say? I had a feeling it was going down, but no setup. Trying to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. Big gap here trying to fill. What is Jerome Powell saying, man? Did he say that we lost our reserve currency status? China, the China yen is now the new world reserve? What? What's happening? Previous day's close. That's hard for me to go short here. We're hitting on some supports. Second entry short. Ooh, I don't know. I'd rather take the failed second entry short here now. Pandas, what do you think? Okay, no BS, Panda. On my local news, they interview an 18-year-old kid that has special powers. He said he can see in the past like he can see what happened yesterday in his life. Like his memory? What? I'm so confused. Like he can like remember things? He can see 3 seconds into the past. If it was like photographic memory, then that's something special. Like he can see yesterday and like replay everything for like photographically. That's pretty cool. Well, if he's like, oh yeah, I remember yesterday, like some of the stuff I did, and I don't know. I don't know. Unbelievable. You can remember yesterday? That's incredible. I can only remember every other day. All right. We have asked for it. Now it is here. Okay, I got filled only one contract. Might as well make it count. Now I'm filled all contracts. Now it's backfiring. I'm just taking the bounce off the previous day's close as a support here. A nice bounce. This could be a failed trap here, which looks like is maybe what's happening. I take responsibility for my actions. If I lose this trade, it is what it is. Give me a nice babushka push. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Babushka. Come on. Oh, that's the opposite of babushka. Ooh, we got babushka here. Let's hold it. Break even. It's trying to get me out break even. Let's hold this one a little bit. Let's let it cook. Let him cook! Oh, man. Come on. Let's go. We're riding this one to the heavens, pandas. Back to the top of the trading range on the 5-minute. Do we have what it takes, pandas? With the NQ, anything is possible. We're going to ride the NQ. We're going to ride it all the way back to the top of the trading range. Pandas, do you believe? Do you believe? With the NQ, all things are possible. We're the 5-minute. We're trying to get it back to the top of the trading range. Ooh. Unfortunately. Whoa. What's going on? Why am I still in this trade? What's happening? Am I in this trade or am I not? No, I'm not. I'm not. According to my rhythmic, I'm not in this trade. Man, it takes me out perfectly? No way. Why? This is scary though. I hate, like, just the fact that I'm seeing this is scary. I'm pretty certain I'm not in a trade right now. Okay, it's gone now. Oh, interesting. If I just open a new trade, it disappears. Cool. Very cool. Do I still like the long trade here? I don't know. I got my 1-to-1. I'm happy with that. Happy to end green today in general. One big reason why I don't want to enter is because of 5,000 tick. We're basically hitting the 20 EMA here. So we could have another push down. But I don't know. This one's tough. I'm happy to be green for now. All right, what did I miss? Nothing much. Gosh darn it. It literally takes me out and then blasts off where I wanted to go. It could have been in a runner. It's all good though. It's all good. Fortunate, but it's all good. It is what it is. Now it's like you're trapped out. Even though this goes up forever, it's hard to get in. Because you're always thinking the moment you go in is the time it's going to reverse. Because it always happens. It's like a guarantee in life. The market reverses when you go in. Alright, it's not big gains today. I mean, the day was big up, big down. So, hard to predict those movements. I'm happy I'm green. Pandas. Remember, tomorrow also, we got Jerome Powell speaking at 10. And just be aware of that. I think also today's the last day of BBM for 80% off. 1 day to pass. Take advantage of it while it lasts. Pandas, otherwise. Trade safe, everyone. Stick to the plan. Good things will happen. Until tomorrow, pandas. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye. Yeah, 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 yeah.